This is the continuation of the previous video. So here what happens, the front portion I have not done any trimming over here, so those things I am going to do over here with the help of the cutout option. So cutout, fit, I am going to make it this particular things like in the top. Okay, like a curved shape it's coming now. So what is the diameter over here? So radius 10. Okay, so go over here, select a circle from mid of this one to radius tab 10. Give, then from length. So what is the length from here? 60 mm. So made, so up to here we have made it as a 60 mm. So go to the option is called trim. So now select a line from here to I am going to make a tangent to that particular line. Okay, same manner I am going to do over here also. From middle, it's tangent to this one. So after giving the tangent, the unnecessary, the extra lines I am going to trim it. So this is the thing I am going to trim. Even this here, this. So this is the profile I need. So for those things, going to select a line from this end. I am going to draw from here. Okay. So now go to select the mirror. Select the option is called mirror, and based on this going to give return. So towards this side has to be next over here. So save. So that front portion also we have created like that, whatever things they given in the drawing. Okay, so I am going to save the file. Now we are going to check what are all the things we have not completed. So this wall is created, this is the wall, even here this wall as well as the side wall. So everything we have completed. Even here also this is the wall, this is the tapered wall, and here this is the wall, this surface, and mid it is coming over here. So this one, so everything is completed in the first part. Okay, now so once you draw the first part, remaining will be very easy. So remaining will be very easy. So we are going to draw the second part. Now where is the second part? Second part, bush. Second one, bush. Where is the bush? So here the bush is there. So this is the front view and side view. So they are making us a full this one. So these things we will see how to draw. So make a 18 mm as well as the minimum diameter is 12.7 mm. So close it. After saving this, we can close. Select solid edge, go to solid part, protrusion option, select this and give a circle option. From here to 18 mm is the maximum diameter, and select minimum diameter is the 12.7 mm. we will check it, otherwise we will change it. Minimum diameter is 12.7 mm. Then give return. So how much mm it has to go? So depth is 25 mm. Okay, so taking a mirror extent, so I'm going to give 25 mm distance. So after creating this 25 mm distance, what happens? So only one side, so it comes as this many like a cut. Okay, oil hole by 2 mm drilled assembly. Okay, so those things we have to create it. Now see that those particular things we have to create this oil groove as well as oil groove as well as this hole. Okay, the oil by 2 mm hole. Okay, so for this, go over here, select a plane, parallel plane, exactly from here to I'm going to rotate from in this end. Okay, so exactly in the corner I'm going to keep, select a cutout option. This is the surface I'm going to cut. Select a line from here to here. What is the diameter they are given? So oil groove, that is the 2 into 0.5 mm deep. So 2 mm distance and 0.5 mm deep. So it is nearer to this length. Okay, so those length, how we can check over here? Any other relation where they are given, we will check over in the component where the oil groove is going to place oil. Sorry, what is the component name? So component name is bush. So bush where they are going to place. So check over here. Okay, the bush maybe they are going to fix over here. Here only the possibility. So this is the bush maybe. So those dimensions they have not given, so take it as assume. So 2 mm into the, so 25 mm means at least 22 mm it comes here, 11 mm that side, 11 mm it is coming over here. So 11 and 2 means 1, 22, 2, select the option is called trim, and so I'm going to, so still I'm going to reduce 1 mm distance. So 20 I'm going to make it as a 20 mm. So select a line, from here to 10, 1 mm, 20, 2 mm, 20, and angle 180, and I'm going to use extend to next, trim the middle one, select arc by 3 point method or arc by center point method from radius of this here, from middle here to this. So this delete this line, you can will delete, and here also will delete this line. So after deleting this, going to give return. So this cutout will not goes to the full, so they are given as a 0.5 mm deep. So I'm going to give 0.5 mm deep. So left and right click. So those things has to be created over here. So this is I'm going to save as a bush USH. So after saving the bush, I'm going to select, make this particular hole. That is that hole. The hole diameter, the high low diameter is 2 mm. So go over here, select cutout. So the newly created plane. So high low diameter is from mid to 2 mm. Enter and return, and so that is the distances towards inside to next towards the left and right click. So we will check it here, the oil hole has to be created or not. So we will save. So like this way this component has to be created over here. Okay, so we go to the next component. Goes to the next component is called third one stud and fourth one pin. So the third one stud will go and draw over here. So select solid part, goes to here. The option is called protrusion front. Select a circle from here to what is the diameter. What is the diameter? So that is the M10. So 10 mm diameter, and give return. So how much mm it has to move? So 55 mm. 55 mm left and right click. So now here, so only 18 mm from this distance as coming as a thread. The other side it is the 15 mm. Okay, so so this side from 4 mm the hole is coming. So go to our the option is called thread. Select, even if you are giving the distance also, it comes from full length it will be taking, so 18. So it will be takes, it's not a issue. Now I'm going to create the hole from mid to, so from here to 4 mm distance. 4 mm distance. Select a circle. What is the diameter of that hole? That is the 2.8 mm. So 2.8. So then this line going to delete. So we will delete. So after that, go over here. We can give the option is called section 2 next. So we can make this one. So this is called it as stud. You can save over here till UD. So after creating that stud, third one, what is the other thing? 15 mm it comes over here, and 2.5 drilled hole. So for this we will check where this stud is coming. Make a pin of 2 over here, and other side it's coming as a, so what is the length? Stud. Okay, so here almost 15 mm, the other side it is the 18 mm. So what is the distance they are given over here? So check it over in the top. So from here to almost 11 mm. So the stud 11 mm. This is 20. 11 is 31. Stud we have created 55 mm. Okay. The stud we have created 55 mm. So 11, 12 means almost the other side also. When comes over here, we can check any other hole is coming or not. So outside only the hole is coming. So okay, where it coming in the screws, anywhere stud number of 2, split pin number of 2, as well as here 1 pin of 2. So here also you can give us a 4 mm only. So it's not an issue. Go over here, cut out the same one, select from here to 4 mm and select a circle over here from this distance 2.5 mm and trim on coming out, return, symmetry extend both the sides and save. So like this way the stud we have to create it. Go to the solid part. The next one will be the what is this, that pipe 2.5 mm taper pin, normal pin 2.5 mm. Select from here and circle from here to 2.5 mm and return towards how much mm distance, 24 mm, 24, left and right click. So this we are going to save as a pin. So after saving this one, we can go for the next component. The next component is the fifth one, that is the bearing brass. So what is the bearing brass? So this one, so that we will see now. Next we are going to discuss about bearing brass. So to draw the bearing brass, go to the solid part. So first you can refer the drawings. So in this one, so what happens, there are given two views, front view and top view they are provided. In the top view they are making as a small sectioned one. Okay, so in this small sectioned one, those we are going to discuss now. So like so what is the minimum diameter? First we are going to draw minimum and intermediate circle one. So what is that, the diameter they will be providing here. So that is the 41. So another one will be the maximum one will be the 56. The next one will be the 48. So first initially we are going to make the select the protrusion option from the middle. I am going to draw a circle from here to, so 48 mm one and diameter is 48 mm. So 48 mm once, yes, diameter is 48 mm and another one is the diameter is the 41 mm. 41 mm diameter. So after creating these things, so then you can see, so from the variation from the mid plane to 1.5 mm distance they are shown. So select a line from here to 1.5 mm distance and going to make a straight line. So angle is 0. That angle I am going to give 0 and I am going to stop. Now trim. So the entire thing I am going to trim is as well as here and here. So the solution. Now I am going to give, this will be the return from the symmetric extent option. Then how much mm depth? So this has to be comes as a 33 mm. So middle 33 mm. So I am going to give 33 mm distance. So after giving the 33 mm, once again I am coming to select the protrusion option. From here I am going to select the option is called circle. So the maximum we have drawn as previously, that 48 mm. Then select middle. What is the another one? So that is the 56 mm. So I am going to draw a 56 mm diameter. Then I am going to the maximum distance from here to here. Okay, so 39 mm. So going to stop from here, one more line. So you trim. So this has to be trim. Then return. So towards up and comes to here. So what happens? So it will be started to come fully. So how much mm I am going to give? I am going to give us 33 minus 39. It is the 6 mm. 6 means this side 3, other side 3. So I am going to give 3 mm distance. So 3 mm distance towards left side. This side, left, right click. Okay, now what happens? So here I have to create the hole, so that I am going to make the option is called edit profile. So now one more thing, the inside circle has to be deleted. What 8 mm. So this trim so select otherwise 3 arc by 3 point method from first point and second going to join over here. That's it. So select arc from here, mid and over this end of this line. So arc has to be written. Then I am going to give return. So it's not coming. So once again I am going to do trim option, solid option, select a circle from midpoint here to 48 mm circle, and select a circle again from here to 56 mm diameter. Okay, 56 6 mm diameter. So it's not coming. So go over here, select 56, return. Now so instead of doing from the corner, I am going to make a line from here. Also I am going to make from here. Go to the trim option, this as well as here. So the trim is as well as this one. So now I am going to return That's the big circle has to be created over here. That's what it's coming over in this manner. So now I'm going to change the edit profile. For the big circle I'm going to delete, I'm going to give return. So once again the problem has to be created. So that try to do conscious and select protrusion from here. (48mm) and select circle again 56mm. Fit. So this is the mistake are done before, so this should not repeat. So from here to 56mm diameter. So select a line from this end to here, from here to this one. So trim, so trim option here as well as this one, and give return. So some of the profile I have not deleted. So go to here, return. So this going to give us a 3mm. Minimum diameter and maximum 56. And select a line from here, straight line. Select a line from here, straight line. Trim, return. So it has to be 3mm. Left and right click, and you can save as a bearing. Browse. After save this, go to the option is called mirror extend. So from this and OK, and plane as the mid plane, the other side also create. Then you can save. After saving this, going to create this particular this whole circle. Okay, so for creating this whole circle, I'm going to select mid plane, go to the cutout, the middle, go to the wireframe model, and I'm going to make this one. So the angle they will be provided as a 45 degree. So from the 45 degree it comes over here. So from the angle 45 degree, so select from here to the angle as towards this will be a 180, 90 plus 45, 135. I'm going to give angle 135. Okay, so towards this side, that angle I am going to give 45, 40, 45. Okay, so after done this, go to over how to create this particular part. Okay, so what is the diameter they are given? Oil groove, this is a 3 into 1, oil groove 2 into 0.5 mm deep. Okay, 2 mm length and 0.5 mm deep. So what happens, from here I am going to draw a line, one more, two, okay, select as a offset, single from here to 1 mm, again select 1 mm towards this side. So here the distance it will be wrong, so select again offset option, go over as a single, select offset single 1 mm towards this side, going to keep over here. So after keeping this, so how to create this one? So 1 mm deep, so I'm going to make a circle over here, select circle up to this 48 mm diameter. So diameter, trim. So these things I'm going to trimmed. So now another one, this will be the 0.5 mm deep. Okay, so again I'm going to select a circle. 0.5 mm deep means from here to the diameter of 47.5 mm, 47.5 mm. Okay, so go to zoom option, 47.5 mm. So the remaining things and all you remove it. Even here also the mid, this particular things. Okay, so this particular shape you have to create fit. Even this also it's not required now. I'm going to zoom the particular things, select the rotate option, select the entire thing from the axis. So the mid of the component I'm going to keep over here. Another one, the angle is 45, enter. So after keeping this, going to give return. So this it has to come from symmetry extent. So the dimension is the length is they are not given over here, so from you can take the one. So already we gave 10 mm deep, we have selected somewhere where we selected at 10 mm. So in the bearing bush, so same thing you can select 20 mm over here. Okay, so going to give 20 mm distance, so it will be coming more. So that again I am going to change the value 33 minutes. So 33 from here to here, how much mm? Okay, check it. So this I'm going to change edit profile and second depth. So this will be 15 symmetry extent, 15 mm distance. Some 18 mm going to here. So even 20, last time I gave something went wrong. So 20 mm and enter. So 20 mm it can be. So it comes over here. So this is the shape. First you have to create over here in the bearing boss. After this the same like the this hole. Okay, so how to create those things we will see. Go over here again, you can change into the this one. Go over here, the option is called cutout. Again you can select the mid plane, come over here, zoom, select the arc by center point, circle by center point method from here to, so 48 mm, so 48 mm I have drawn a circle. Drawn the circle. Then what is the other dimension? 48. So that is the oil hole. It comes down. So oil hole 3 into 1 mm grip. So 3 means 48, 45 mm. You can select circle 45 mm. So after this again select a line from here to the line 45 degree over here, and select from the other side 45 degree, sorry, not 45 degree, 135 degree, then trim. So this is a thing, as well as here it has to be trimmed over here, even this also. So now in this one it like a curved shape, small. So go over here, arc by 3 point method, from here, and fit the same like other side also we will do. Select arc by 3 point method from here, this as well as this one. So this line, so delete, and comes to other side, this line also we delete. Then comes to give the return option. Now how much mm deep you have to give? So already 1 mm deep, so actually 1 mm you have to select. So again the thing is so select cutout option, the middle plane, select a circle from here to 48, and 1 mm deep means select a circle from here to 47 mm, not 48. So deep only the 3 mm. Select this one, 1 mm, select a line from here to 45 degree angle, and select a line from here to 135 degree angle, then trim. So this you can keep that as straight edge itself and give return. So now you can give the symmetry extent, then distance is 3 m. So those things has to be created over here. So after creating this 3 volts having the pi 2 mm diameter. Okay, so I am going to create the here 1 volt, another one here, so the last hole over here. So for this I am going to select the cutout option in the mid plane from the particular thing. I am going to select from 2 mm. 2 mm hole going to place over here exactly in the middle and over here. So then this one I'm going to delete, so that this hole it has goes through. So from there to I'm going to make full left and right click, so that hole has to be created over here. So this is the bearing draws the shape. Close and save. So with that, this video is going to end. The remaining things we will see in the next video.